So in order to solve this, firstly, I wouldn't use a 0. I'm going to go and choose one of the other ones. Let's make it a 1. This way I'm going to actually build the formula where I think the answer should be. So over here we know there's 18,197 in sales. Because it's collected 1 month later, I know it needs to happen here. So I'm going to build my formula here. I know it's an offset function. I'm going to tell it, please look at that cell. Just be careful, a lot of people do the work for Excel, so they immediately go and start pointing where the answer is. Remember, this is going to change. So what you're saying is go look at that cell there. How many rows must it move up or down? Put a 0. How many columns must it move left or right? I know it needs to go 1 to the left. I'm going to click on here, but because I know it needs to go to the left, I know it needs to have a minus sign. Also, because I'm going to copy it across, I know it needs dollar signs. Put my dollar signs on. When I say OK, you'll see that seems to work out. I go 1 to the right. That's looking good there. That's looking good there. And I can now copy it all the way across. And now when I change that, for example, to a 2, you'll see it moves across.